everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix portfolio not loading or updating. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you are on a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. The poor connection can prevent updates. Next, we're going to refresh the app. Pull down on the portfolio screen or close and reopen the app to reload data. Next, update the SoFi app. Go to the app store, search for the app, and then see if there is an update button. If there is, then update your app. Privacy tip: only log in through the official SoFi app to keep your account secure. Quick fix: if the portfolio still does not update, log out and back in to refresh your sessions. Restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches, and contact SoFi support if the data still fails to load. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast SoFi mobile finance fixes.